Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for robotics. ChatGPT can be used in several ways to support robotics. Here are some possible use cases. First is natural language processing. ChatGPT can be used to create natural language interface for controlling a robot. Users can give commands or ask questions in plain language, and ChatGPT can interpret and respond appropriately. This can make it easier for people without technical expertise to interact with robots. Learning and problem solving. ChatGPT can be used to train robots through natural language interactions. For example, user can ask robot to perform a task and then provide feedback on its performance. The robot could then use the feedback to improve its performance over time. Data analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze data collected by robots. For example, if a robot is gathering sensor data, ChatGPT could analyze that data and provide insights or make predictions based on the patterns it detects. Maintenance and troubleshooting. ChatGPT can be used to help technicians troubleshoot problems with robots. Users can describe the problem by their experiencing in plain language, and ChatGPT can provide suggestions for how to fix it. To use ChatGPT for robotics, you'll need to integrate it with your robot's hardware and software systems. You'll also need to train ChatGPT on a corpus of data related to your robot's domain. This could include technical documentation, sensor data, and other relevant information. Once ChatGPT is trained, you can deploy it in your robot's control system or use it as a standalone interface. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!